Welcome to MasterCare Plus. In this video, we'll show you how to create a group and a group appointment. First, you'll need to have a roster set up. Please follow our Setting Up Rosters and Appointments video tutorial in order to create a roster. From the appointment book, click on a slot to add a new appointment. Here, you can add multiple participants, both staff and clients. You need to add them individually to build your group appointment. If you need to, you can also add a client directly from this screen. Then, fill in the rest of the appointment details, such as the reason, service category and type, location, and any comments. Once complete, click Create. If someone isn't available, you'll see a flag warning. This could be for a staff member's availability or the room booking. Now let's create another appointment. This time we'll use a ready-made group. Simply select the group and create the appointment in just a few clicks. You can always go back in and edit the appointment at any stage. When it's time to check clients in, you can either hover and check in all at once or open the appointment and update each individual status. Now, let's look at how to create a group. Click on the group's icon in the top right. From here, click on the plus icon. Enter the group's details. Then save. You can then add clients one by one or search and select them from the database. Each client can belong to multiple groups, such as a therapy group, a support program, or a community activity. Groups can also be updated over time, so you can add new clients, remove clients who have finished, or even rename the group as programs evolve. This flexibility makes it simple to manage appointments, programs, and services for multiple clients at once, all within MasterCare Plus. Please check out our other videos for more training resources.